Hello friends, let's solve next memory based question from Electrical GATE 2018 paper. It is coding decoding question. So this particular thing is coded like this like this. So what will be the answer for third one? So if you will observe, A is becoming E here, which is actually +4. Similarly, +4. That means after every alphabet, I have to count the fourth one, excluding this one. So with the same logic, DHLP will be so answer is HLPT. In case if you have any conflict or any doubt related to data given in this question or solution, feel free to contact us on the number given on the board. Thank you.